Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay, so RS Agarwal, first one exercise only is there. We have completed till 21st. Now it is 22nd. So right now I'll first switch on video. P is a point on the bisector of angle ABC. If a line through P parallel to BA meets BC at Q, prove that triangle BPQ is an isosceles triangle. First, angle ABC. A, B, C. P is a point on bisector of angle ABC. Angle ABC is bisector, that means which divides the ABC into equal parts. P is somewhere on that. If a line through P parallel to AB, so this is AB line, parallel to this we have to draw from P, meets BC at Q. So this line and parallel to this line, PQR we can take it as. Prove that triangle BPQ is an isosceles triangle. So these two angles, this one, BPQ is isosceles. So we have to either prove PB is equal to PQ or BQ. Any two sides we have to show equal, and otherwise any two angles we have to show equal. So what can be done? So here only they have given this is a bisector. So these two angles are equal. And another thing they have told, that is these two lines are parallel. So what can we do? It's very easy.
Ma'am, in this we can prove that the whole angle B is equal to the whole angle Q
Okay.
by alternate, not alternate, corresponding angles.
Okay.
And then angle ABP is equal to angle BPQ.
Yes. Reason?
Alternate interior angle.
Alternate interior angles. AB parallel to QR and BP is a transverse. So angle ABP and angle BPQ are equal. So this is angle 1. You can consider this as angle 2. So angle 1 and angle 3 are equal. Alternate interior angles. So therefore angle 2 and angle 3 are equal. If in triangle, if two angles are equal, opposite sides will be equal. So BQ is equal to PQ and therefore BPQ is isosceles triangle. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Given, yes.
Ma'am, angle 1 equals angle 3, but how is angle 2 equal to 3? Okay, bisector.
1 and 2 are equal and 1 and 3 is equal. So therefore 2 and 3 equal. BP is bisector of angle B. So therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and AB parallel to QR. To prove BPQ is isosceles triangle. And proof angle 1 is equal to angle 2, which is given. AB parallel to RQ. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Alternate interior angles. So therefore, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. and therefore BQ is equal to PQ. Sides opposite to equal angles, and therefore BPQ is isosceles triangle.
Done, ma'am.
Read the question and tell me what we have to prove.
Ma'am,
Yes?
this question we should only do, or
No, first read and tell me what has to be done.
We
Ma'am,
have
in
to
this,
prove 80 and
ma'am,
BT.
BT equals 80.
Ma'am, we have to
yes, ma'am.
80. Yeah.
Yes, BT is equal to 80, we have to prove. Right. So here we have to use the laws of reflection. What are the laws of reflection?
incidence is
Angle of
equal
incidence is equal to angle of reflection.
Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. You can see here arrow is moving from A to C and then it is reflected from C to D. So this angle and this angle is equal. We will consider this as angle 1 and this as angle 2. Now we have to prove BT and AT equal. That means we have to prove the congruency between these two triangles. Okay, now we don't have anything to equate it here. We don't know about AC, BC. We don't know anything about the angles. Now how to do that? See here, when the line, this line is always perpendicular. And this is a normal line. CN is also a normal line. So this is also perpendicular. That means two lines are perpendicular to same line. So therefore they are parallel to each other. Is that clear? CN and TA are parallel to each other. Then this is angle 1. So this angle and this angles are equal. This is reason is alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle 2 and angle B are equal. Consider this as angle 4.
We can take it as exterior angle property also. No?
Exterior angle property.
Angle
But what
1
you will
plus
get,
1.
yeah. But what you will get by exterior angle property, you cannot make it equal, no anything.
Okay.
So we have to take it as angle 1 and angle 3 are equal because alternate interior angles. Angle 2 and angle 4 are equal corresponding angles, right? And angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, laws of reflection. So therefore angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. Can we say angle 3 and angle 4 are equal? Now, if 3 and 4 are equal, then BC and AC are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Angles opposite to equal, sides opposite to equal angles, right? So AC and BC are equal. TC is a common side and angle T is 90 degrees. These two angles are 90 degrees. So therefore, by RHS criteria, these two triangles are congruent, and therefore AT is equal to BT by CPCT. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
First, we have to prove that lines are parallel. AT perpendicular to LM as well as NC perpendicular to LM. So therefore, AT parallel to NC. Lines perpendicular to same line are always parallel. So AT is parallel to NC. Angle I is equal to angle R. Laws of reflection. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Alternate interior angles. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Corresponding angles. So therefore, from 1, 2, and 3, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Therefore, AC is equal to BC. Sides opposite to equal angles. So in triangle BTC and ATC, TC is equal to CT, common. Angle ATC is equal to angle BTC, both are 90 degrees. And AC is equal to BC, proved. Therefore, triangle ATC congruent to triangle BTC by RHS congruency. And therefore, AT is equal to BT.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in this question, what's the data given?
Data given is nothing.
So we should not write given.
You have to write it. AC is an incident angle. A is the object. B is the image. AC is incident ray. CD is reflected ray.
Okay, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Then,
In a triangle ABC, D is midpoint of AC such that BD is equal to half AC. Show that angle ABC is a right angle. So first write down, draw the triangle angle ABC as 90. ABC we have to prove as a right angle. Right now it is not given. D is the midpoint of AC. So D is midpoint of AC. BD is join BD. BD distance is half of AC. Given D is midpoint of AC. That means AD is equal to CD. So this side and this side is equal. And BD is half of AC. To prove angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Proof AD is equal to CD, that is half of AC, and BD is also half of AC. So therefore AD is equal to CD is equal to BD, AD, CD are equal. Now how to prove?
Ma'am, angle A and angle B are equal,
Okay.
and B and C are also equal. And B and C are also equal.
Why? Then
Then
in
ma'am,
triangle ABC, 2x plus 2y is 180, so x plus y is 90, therefore angle B is 90 degree.
yes, angle sum property we have to use. X plus y plus y is equal to 180. So you will get x plus y is equal to 90. So x plus y angle B is x plus y. So therefore it is 90.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we don't have to do 24th question.
Yeah, that is only to explain, nothing to solve in that. And the remaining two are true false.
Ma'am, there's no diagram for this.
No.
And this is from where?
Exemplar. Exemplar.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is NCRT question, right?
Exemplar.
Yes, ma'am, but it is the same.
Same, yeah. BD and C are medians, not altitudes. Altitude and median are different things.
Ma'am, but even it divides into two
Two, what?
equal parts.
Which parts are equal?
Uh, yeah, so your AD and DC will be equal.
BD is a median, so therefore AD and DC are equal. AE and BE are also equal because CE is also a median. Then
Ma'am, then we have to consider triangle EBC and DBC. Then in that we can, yeah, so in that
Now we can consider the, we can consider also the upper part, upper triangle,
yes, any one of them.
BD and AEC.
Okay, that also can be
And
done.
it is not necessary to be 90-degree, right?
Oh,
There.
it is not. Median is
Yeah.
not 90. It is only bisects the opposite side. That's it.
Yeah.
Yes, Trishula, your method you tell, Ganesh will tell the other method.
ma'am, so DCE will be equal to ECB and
DC,
ma'am, DC and middle you can just write it as O.
Why O is needed? Okay.
Ma'am, so here BCE will be equal to DCE. Ma'am, because it is median.
No, median don't divides the angles. Yes, 1 second. Ganesh, can you tell the other method?
Ma'am, angle given is AB is equal to AC
AB is equal to AC, okay.
and angle BAC, angle BAE is equal to angle CAE. Common.
BAE.
Ma'am, BAD.
Okay, BAD and CAE are equal, okay, common angle.
Common.
Yes, third one.
Ma'am, last step I'm not getting.
They have given median. That means AE is equal to BE. AE is half of AB and AD is equal to DC. So AD is half of AC and AB and AC are equal. So half of them are also equal. So therefore AE is equal to AD. So in this one already they have given AB is equal to AC. They have given. Now BD and CE are medians. So therefore AE is equal to BE is half of AB. AD is equal to DC, that is equal to half of AC. Half AB is equal to AC, half of AB is equal to half of AC. So half of AB means AE and half of AC is AD. So AE and AD are equal. AB is equal to AC and angle common.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you told we'll have tuition, science tuition tomorrow, 2
Yeah.
o'clock. Ma'am, but I think tomorrow 2
Ma'am,
o'clock
we have
we'll have
lunch.
school period.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow again. You
Yes,
have a class
ma'am.
till 1 only, no? 1:45.
No, ma'am, they
Ma'am,
take extra.
yes, ma'am. Till 20th we have same.
Yeah,
Till
20th exam end.
they will take extra classes.
Yeah, from no, only
Yes, ma'am.
Monday, Wednesday means SST class will be from 2:20 to 3 tomorrow and Friday.
Tomorrow also and Friday also. Very good.
And Monday also.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Try the next one, second one. How to prove?
Ma'am, we have to prove triangle ABE and ACD congruent.
A, B, D.
ABE and
But they have asked to A, B, D and ACE.
oh yeah, okay. Ma'am, but for first proving that we have to prove triangle ABE and AC so that we get AB is equal to AC.
We did. We have solved this in NCERT.
Yes, ma'am.
In triangle ADE, AD is equal to AE. Therefore,
Angle ADE is equal to angle AED.
so this is X, this is also X, these two are equal. Now what is this angle
180 minus X. Okay, ma'am.
and this angle? 180 minus X. So this and this angles are equal. And this side is equal to this side is equal, D is equal to EC. So by SAS criteria, both the triangles are congruent. Prove it.
Done, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
CDE is equilateral triangle formed on the side CD of square ABCD. Show that triangle ADE is congruent to triangle BCE. ADE and BCE triangle congruency, and also you have to prove angle DEA as 15 degrees. Along with this, you have to also prove angle DEA is equal to 15 degrees. This is CDE is equilateral triangle. That means all sides are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
As well as ABCD is a square. That means all sides are equal. This means all these 6 sides are equal to each other.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to prove ADE triangle. In that already we can show that is DE and CE are equal. AD and BC are equal. Now 2 sides are there. Third side or third angle we have to prove. Try with this angle. So what is this angle? Angle D is ADC is
90.
90 degree.
90.
90
And what
degree.
is EDC?
60 degree.
So this is 90, this is 60. So total angle is
150.
150. What about angle BCD is?
150 degree.
150.
Oh, sorry.
BCD is
90
90
degree.
and this is 60. So this is
Yeah,
also
full
150. Angle D is 150, angle C is also 150. So therefore triangle ADE and triangle BCE are congruent by
SAS criteria.
SAS criteria. Now we have to find out DEA is 15 degree. So now you take triangle ADE triangle. In that angle D is
Both
150.
angles are equal.
So AD is equal to DE. So therefore this angle and this angle is equal. Angles opposite to equal sides.
Yes, ma'am.
So consider
Yes,
this
ma'am.
as x, this as x. 2x plus 150 is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 30, x is equal to 15 degrees. Can you prove?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, prove now.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in science.
All right. Complete this first.
Okay.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Next one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the two triangles are congruent by RHS.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Angle A and angle D are 90. Further, BA and D are equal. Fine.
Ma'am,
BF
if
is
we
equal to
add,
EC they have given.
Ma'am, BF plus X is equal to EC plus X.
yes, ma'am, common.
Yeah. CF. Consider CF. Don't take X, take CF.
Okay, ma'am.
Completed fourth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next one. 5 is, these are all inequalities. M parallel to M. M is the midpoint of the line segment AB. Show that M is midpoint of any line segment CD having its endpoints on L and M respectively. How to prove?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes. Yes, Daphne?
Ma'am, we have to prove congruency of triangle AMC and DMB.
Okay. Can you tell me the parts? Equal?
Ma'am, L is parallel to M,
Hmm?
whereas DC is a transversal.
Okay.
So angle ACD equals to CDB,
Hmm?
and CM equals to DM because M is the midpoint of line.
No. CM not equal to that. You have to prove it. M is a midpoint of CD that you have to prove.
Oh, wait a minute.
M is the midpoint of AB.
Ma'am, then I have to take transversal AB,
Okay.
where angle CAB equals to ABD,
Okay.
and then AM equals to BM,
Hmm?
and angle AMC equals to BMD. These
Hmm?
are vertically opposite angles.
Hmm?
Now by ASC congruency, it's
They're congruent. Okay.
so by CPCT DM equals to CM.
DM is equal to 7, right? So two triangles are congruent by ASA. Angle A is equal to angle B, alternate interior angles. Angle AMC is equal to angle BMD, vertically opposite angle, and AM is equal to BM given. So therefore, ASA criteria, two triangles are congruent, and therefore by CPCT, CM is equal to DM. So therefore, M bisects CD. Draw the diagram and prove it. We already have done this. Try again.
Ma'am, I think last class only we did this.
Yes. Completed ninth one? MOC and ABC, we have to prove equal. So this is bisector, so this is XX. This is AB is equal to AC, so therefore total B is equal to total C.
Yes, ma'am.
So half of B and half of C are equal, so this is XX. So in triangle BOC, this is X, this is X. So this angle will be 2X,
2x.
exterior angle. This is the exterior angle, so MOC is equal to 2X. And as well as angle B is X plus X, 2X. Therefore they are equal. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then you can leave. So tomorrow class is there till 2 o'clock. From 2 o'clock, there is no class tomorrow. Sunday I will take then, instead of maths, I will take science class then. Saturday you have holiday.
Ma'am, for Sapiens.
Yes.
And then tomorrow 2 o'clock no class.
No class then. If school class is there, then how will I manage?
Okay. Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, in the group I sent one number. Ma'am, can you add it
Yeah, I think so. Fine.
in the group, in the Sapedo group?
Yeah, I think so. I've added. Let me check. Can I send a few extra questions? Start solving them.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are you able to see the questions? Nothing right now. I've stopped.
Ma'am, we are able to see.
Fine. You can leave now.
Thank you, ma'am.